Namaste, my name is Dhio and welcome to my channel. Today let's talk a little about this hand gesture that we all have been doing for centuries, and we do it when we are receiving people, when we are saying goodbye to somebody. We always go, we do this, we wave. Okay, we always waving to people out. What is this hand gesture? You know, did few people in the earlier times get together and say, okay, mankind needs a hand gesture to say goodbye and to receive people, so let's come up with something, and they said, okay, here, this seems smart enough, or did our ancient ancestors really know why they were doing this? Why were they waving? What is the science behind this? What is the meaning behind this? That again, in time, over a period of time, have just got limited to saying a goodbye or to say hello. Okay, so let's figure this out today. Okay, now we all know what energy is. Okay, everything around us is energy. We're filled of energy. Okay, we all have felt, okay, I'm low on energy today, or I'm really full of energy today. We all have used these terms, we all have experienced these terms. But you need to understand one thing, that energy travels. Okay, and hold this thought, energy travels. The best way to understand this is, say if you are watching somebody, let's say two people on the middle of the road having an argument, or they're fighting, they're having a physical altercation. Okay, if you start watching them for more than what you are supposed to, say more than a few seconds, that energy starts traveling towards you, where you start feeling that anger, that emotion, that thought process that is going on with those two guys. That's why your heart starts beating and you don't want to be there anymore, or either you're enjoying it so much, the intensity so much, that you want to be there and keep watching them, because now that energy is traveled towards you. Similarly, if you watch something, if you're watching a nice comedy film, the energy that is happening over there starts coming to you, because you start laughing, you start smiling, you start feeling good. That energy has traveled to you. Okay, so this is how energy travels. Now this is the same thing what healers use. Okay, a healer could be in one part of the world, okay, and you could be in another part of the world, but the healer can send you healing from across oceans, across mountains, okay, and heal you. It really works. Okay, so this is how energy travels, and the way energy travels is in the form of a wave. Okay, it travels like this. So if you've dropped a pebble in a pond and you see the ripple that flows till it comes to the shore of the pond or the lake, is how energy travels. So the two people that you see fighting on the middle of the road is that stone that's been dropped in that lake, and now that energy is traveling towards you, and you start feeling what they are feeling, good, bad, ugly, whatever it may be. Okay, so now here you have a choice whether you want to still be there, or you can walk away from there and not be in that energy anymore. It may stay with you for a few hours, few days, few months, but that energy eventually will go away, because you walked away from that energy. You had a choice. Okay, but what about that part where you sometimes get a bad smell? You don't know where it's coming from, you can't see it, you can't touch it, you can't hear it, but you get that smell, and the minute you get that smell, you go, where's that bad smell coming from? Okay, you start using this hand gesture. Why are you using that hand gesture? Is because that energy is traveling to your nose. Okay, if it's a good smell, do you ever go, oh, what a nice smell? No, you always go, you're taking in that energy. Okay, but when it's a bad smell, this is what you do next to your nose. Where's this bad smell coming from? Okay, now there are times when you're just feeling extremely low on energy. Why is that happening? You're not even thinking of something bad or anything. You just start feeling extremely low, or you start feeling extremely high. So if you're feeling extremely low, that means someone, either in this realm or some other realm, okay, in the spirit world or some other dimension, is thinking really bad about you. So that bad energy is now traveling towards you. Okay, energy is not only limited to this realm, it can come from any realm. Okay, so that person could be in some other part of the world thinking shit about you, and now that energy is traveling towards you. So this is what our ancient ancestors knew about, and they had a cure for it, where immediately when they would feel that low energy, they would wipe it off. Like how you take the smell off, they would wipe that energy off from them, from all their senses, from their eyes, from their ears, from their nose, from their taste, from their touch. They would wipe it off. Okay, so this is the science behind it. The minute they start feeling low, they would do this. So when everyone at that time, all our ancient ancestors, everyone had this knowledge. Okay, so when two people would be meeting each other, they would go like this. They didn't want the other person's bad emotions, energy, thought process to come to them. So they would go like this in front of each other. Okay, so this hand gesture in time, okay, like a good healer, okay, a good healer, you don't even have to probably speak to them or tell them about yourself or anything, but a good healer will know exactly everything about you. Okay, like my aunt, my Masi, now for my friends in the West, Masi is a term we use to describe a relation between my mother's sister. So in this case, my mother's younger sister, okay, who's my Masi, is a healer. She's so good. I mean, she doesn't even have to know anything about you, and even if I give her your name, she just has to sit in her sadhana and she'll know everything about you. What is going wrong in your life, what is going wrong in the vastu of your house or any other part of your life, if you've been to a place where you've picked up bad energy from. So she's so good. Okay, so at that time, a lot of people had this knowledge. So if, say, I don't want somebody to know who I am, what I am, the minute you see that person, you go like this. So now that person can't read your energy because your thought process is also not reaching them. So in earlier times when healing was also done, they would always say, okay, at this time I'm going to be sending this person healing. Make sure this person is either sitting down or lying down, so that there's not much activity towards them. This person's not moving around too much, so that healing could come to them. Okay, which now in time, this is why when we see people, we always waving them out. So deep down somewhere in our core DNA, we know that, okay, that person is leaving. I don't want that person's sad emotion or my sad emotions to reach that person. So you go, you wave out, which was like this initially, has now only come to this, which is fine. I'm not telling you, okay, change it and you need to start doing this. You can still do this. But there are times when you start feeling low on energy sometimes. Just do this and you'll see the difference. Do it a couple of times. Just wipe it off. Know there's a bad energy coming towards you. Wipe it off. Okay, if you're feeling good, take in that good energy, like that good smell. We never go when that good smell is there. We never do this. We always go. So do the same thing. If you're feeling energetic, just go take more of it. Somebody somewhere is thinking really nice about you, sending you some good healing. Okay, so this is the reason why we do a wave. Probably this is why it's been named also. Wave that person out. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like. Share this knowledge with people. Until I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.